Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we analyze XRP, conduct machine learning based price forecast, analyze recent price bump, technical analysis, and much more. None of the content is financial advice. Let's get started. The chart that you're seeing on the screen is available on Crypto Weeklies, and the link on the bottom of your screen and in the description. None of the content is charged, is all for free for all. Over the last 24 hours, XRP has rallied per this barometer. You can see that it's leading most of the wider major cryptos, up by about 9% over the last 7 days, up by about 10%. Again, in the left half, where in the top half of rallying cryptos over the last 30 days, down by 2.5%. Again, still maintaining its leadership position over the last 90 days. uh, Only the leading crypto by up by about 9.5%. Only two cryptos are positives, rest of all are bleeding. Again, you can see crypto that makes XRP the crypto of the day. If you want to check the price performance over the last 24 hours and 7 days on coin market cap, you can check it over here. By market cap, now XRP has gotten to its number 3 spot, at around 150, roughly speaking 150 billion, higher market cap than even Tether now, so only behind Ether and Bitcoin. In terms of the circulating supply, it's reaching that 60% of its max supply, that critical threshold that we would like to see on this channel, where after reaching 60% of max supply, the impact of any new token dilution kind of gets mitigated. So even if you look at the price versus market cap chart, growth chart, you can see over here, over the last 1 year or so, price essentially grew from its July low of 43 cents to now more than 5x, at around $2.55. Similarly, the market cap at that point in time grew almost 6x from that 25 billion market cap at a similar point in time, now at around 150 billion, which is a 6x from that point in time. Even though price is underperforming the market cap growth, going forward, as the token releases match closer to the 60% target, the impact should be minimal of any token dilution. So now let's analyze XRP and its machine learning based price forecast. Again, this is the bull case. Again, that is kind of now out of the scope of this particular bull run. Looking at the major euphoria peak for XRP already occurred between that is euphoria rally occurred on already before, between November 1st week and December 2nd week, when the price essentially did a 5x in a span of a month. So now going forward into the next 6 months of the bull rally, the base case scenario actually portrays the what could theoretically be a machine learning based price target for XRP. This model uses seasonal ARIMA, XGBoost, and LSTM machine learning model to forecast price. The next 6 months for XRP per this model, price action growing between $2.50 and about $3.53. In a bearish environment, if that kind of exists in the next 6 months, the potential support for XRP could be between, again, for the next 3 months, between the current price and $1.12. If it extends to 6 months, then the price could go as low as between 81 cents and about $2. So you can also look at it in a tabular format as well if you want. Also, in terms of the regression based analysis, the fair value for XRP per this polynomial regression model, which helps identify if the token is in accumulation zone or in a distribution phase. If it's for example one standard deviation residual to the downside with respect to the fair value, as this model covered in late September, early October of 2024, as well as in May, June of 2022. And we made several videos related to XRP on this YouTube channel of ours During that time period, you can see over here, over a course of 1 year, 7 months and 9 months, you can see several videos made related, dedicated to XRP. So if you enjoy these machine learning and regression and statistical base analysis of cryptos without any fluff or major hype or anything, but more towards data side of analytics and at an analytics side of projections and insights related to crypto, do give us a like and subscribe. Similarly, in terms of the 68th percentile bull case for or non-euphoria bull case for XRP, per this model, $3.62 XRP would be considered as a topping pattern for the non-euphoria case. And if the euphoria case were to pan out in this bull run, that takes XRP's price target to about $5 per this model. So roughly speaking, the potential downside and any support is per this model is at around $2.33, about 17 cents lower than the current price, whereas the likely bull case target for XRP is at around $3.62. And if you would like to check it in terms of the technical levels, that also kind of coincides with that 1.618 fib levels. Also, the recent bullish rally for XRP could be explained by the bounce from its 20-week simple moving and 21-week exponential average. The support per this model for XRP is at around $2.50, between $2.15 and $2.28, confluent with that fair value analysis at around $2.33. So analyzing the simple moving average based price target for XRP, for this model, again this is price color coded with respect to the 20-week moving average. Right now this model says that the risk is at around 1/4 roughly speaking, and in terms of percent at around 27%. That puts XRP slightly outside this accumulation target that we observe on this channel. Again, I personally like to observe it in the channel. Personally speaking, whenever the risk presented is less than 20%, like it is in this blue shaded and the purple shaded region, that's when dip buying makes the most amount of sense. Personally speaking, if we have this hypothesis that eventually in the bullish phases of the market, the price risk associated goes upwards between the 50% and 60% risk, like it did in the last two major rallies, that could take the price for XRP between $3.20 and about $3.50 per this price based projection based on the risk levels and the 20-week simple moving average. On the other hand, if the regression based analysis is considered, the analysis that we looked at the at a weekly level in the fair value estimation, per this model the risk levels for XRP are again in the same bandwidth between 27% and 32%. Right now it says at around 32% risk. So again, the topping pattern usually occurs at the risk levels in this green area at around 66%. If the price were to go to that level, that could signal a price point at around between $3.16 and again at around $3.78. So that is again one intermediate peak for XRP. Again, per this model, the maximum permissible 100% at 100% risk, the price could be somewhere between $5 and $5.25. So if we were to go to that blow off top price scenario for XRP, the time weighted average price says that the risks are elevated, but this model did provide a excellent accumulation zone in the bear market of 2022 till about November of 2021, with some fake outs in June, July and March of 2024. So per this model, the risk levels right now, again at this stage of the bull run, per this model is at around 90%. So as an estimated bull run target for XRP, with all of these models in mind, and using risk reward analysis and not the machine learning side of things, which said price again the target per this regression based model at around $5, again as well as with the risk reward based model, which says the weighted risk as a composite of all the DCA risk or the regression risk and the time weighted average price risk and SMA risk is at around 45%. Estimated bull run peak at around $5.20, representing a reward of about 2.09 or 2.1x from the current price of about, roughly speaking, $2.50. And with that I would like to conclude major area of confluence for price targets for XRP between $3.20 and $3.75, and the higher end at around $5. And hope you like this content. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.